Yeah, I feel you. Just make room for something better. Something better for both of us, you know. And I'm open to what's better.
So there you go again. You say you want your freedom.
You want your freedom.
Well, who am I to keep you down?
Yeah, let me keep you down. I can't hold you down.
It's only right.
It's only right.
You should blame away your feelings.
That's how you feel. That's how you feel.
Listen carefully to the sound of the loneliness in the heart.
Heartbreaker, love maker. I smoke weed by the acre, LA Laker. I get a hoe when I break her, that's how it goes down. Might not take my time with it, not a faker. Dig in the crater, big in the fater. Treat every illustrious goddess the way that she needs to be treated, Mike and modest. However, when I'm honest, they break their promise. They start going on and on with this drama. I don't know what's up with you, ma. I'm breaking up with you, ma. When I first met you, I was awestruck and stricken. Just wanted to start kicking all my game, cutting head instead. Mike 9 in to spit it all as bread. But girl, when you in the bed and when you in my head, girl, love you instead. But now that it's over, I don't think about you no more. I'm back just making my bread, watching the dough rise. But I'm still thinking about those thighs. In my enterprise, you wanna cling on. But when I win, I realize I'm better off when you're gone.
So there you go again. You say you want your freedom.
You want your freedom.
Well, who am I to keep you down?
Can't keep you down. I can't hold you down.
It's only right that you should blame away your feelings.
That's how you feel.
Listen carefully to the sound of the loneliness in the heart that drives you mad. And it seems like what's it
Yeah, Sunspot used to have them dreams. Me coming home, get you out them jeans. I'm the sex fiend info. Once did it blindfold. This you out me blind, I was tied up till nightfall. She didn't know that I knew her name. She didn't know about my ex flames. Can't be a pimp forever, whatever is whatever. Does love last forever? Saw a fortune teller, she told me you were crazy. Old news lady, my girl's a real psycho, but the only one for me. My number one homie, number one enemy. Asking me, who is that on the caller ID? Please, Micah, pass the draw, we gon' rock it once more. I like good girls, I like to dress like hoes. We gon' do it once more.
So